My name is Antoinette Saarinen. My work is related to product quality, like checking lead frames, glasses, and end products. I came to Beneq on the 23rd of August 1993. I am responsible for lead frame inspection and checking. I build a transparent display. I make final measurement for different kinds of products to ensure they meet specifications. So in 2008, I took a course for 2 years, and after that I went to America for practice. So I was practicing on how to build an LCD and plasma TV and to repair projectors. I normally build things with my hands. I have always been working under bosses or supervisors. They have allowed me to use my skills, so I have always worked freely and independently. And of course, I'm surprised that after 26 years, I'm still working here. Beneq is a good place to work because it has its flexible working hours. So that is, to me, it's a very important thing. People are very nice. I like that Beneq has a lot of foreign employees, and also the possibility of getting further education. If only you are willingly, you can. So it's a nice place to work.